At YHA London Central and YHA Thameside, luggage storage used to mean long queues, clunky keys, and constant staff involvement. Guests would wait in line just to store a bag, and staff spent hours managing manual lockers instead of focusing on hospitality. YHA partnered with Vpod Smart Solutions to change that, rolling out smart lockers across both hostels. The smart way meant self-service access, real-time monitoring, and zero manual key handovers. The results spoke for themselves: faster guest check-ins, reduced staff workload, and a significant boost in operational efficiency across both locations. Guests loved the convenience, and staff finally had time back to focus on what matters most: the guest experience. From a manual headache to a smart solution, YHA's locker transformation shows what's possible when technology meets hospitality.